Good morning, ham friends, shortwave listeners and shut-ins. K0PIR, and I'm here at Mammoth Spring, Arkansas. Mr. D and I are going to operate Parks on the Air for just a little bit. This is a beautiful park, and I walked around and got a lot of video, so please stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and place your comments below. Got 7. Boy, I'll have more than that. That's 12. Got one contact, John in Florida. K0PIR, Parks on the Air.
CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air. CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air. CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air.
Well, I better spot myself.
CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air. CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air. CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air.
Oops, I got the wrong park number in there.
CQ, K0PIR, Parks on the Air. 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 CQ, K0PIR, parks on the air.
Kilo 7, Sierra Echo November 59, and the park number is 1099, Mammoth Spring, QSL. Okay, thanks Neil, have a good one. K0PIR, parks on the air.
Take care.
Okay, Dan, yeah, come back one more time. What's your QTH?
We are located in Maryland, 45 miles northwest of Washington, D.C., little town called Brunswick, Maryland there, over.
Okay, Dan, yeah, beautiful signal into Mammoth Spring over here in Arkansas. And thanks for the contact. Have a good rest of your day, QSL.
Okay, well, thank you. I got the antenna pointed the wrong way. I am pointed towards the northwest there, but you're coming in really strong. You're on the hex beam here, so 73, take care. This is K3SDO.
Okay, 73, and this is K0PIR, parks on the air. I wish all the contacts could be like that, real good, strong signals, but it's just not the way it works. K0PIR, parks on the air. So I had two parks, and I need to get the park number for this one station. Missed it. K0PIR, parks on the air.
Bravo, Oscar.
Okay, the Whiskey Alpha 9, Bravo, Foxtrot, Oscar. Your 5-9 and the park number is 1099, Mammoth Spring, QSL.
QSL, you're about 10 over 9 up in LaPorte, Colorado, very close to Fort Collins. And the call is Foxtrot, Bravo, Oscar, FBO.
Okay, yeah, that looks better. Alright, I got you in the log, and thanks for the contact, QSL.
QSL, and there was another station calling you as well.
Okay, I'll break with Whiskey Alpha 9, Foxtrot, Bravo, Oscar, and this is K0PIR, parks on the air. K0PIR, parks on the air. Okay, I think it's Kilo 4 Alpha Juliet Quebec. The park number here is 1099, QSL. Okay, got it corrected. KK4 Alpha Delta Quebec. And yeah, you're 4x4 into Mammoth Spring, QSL. Again. Again. Oh, Roger. Victor Alpha. Thanks, I got the contact. 73. Okay, K0PIR. Parks on the air. Okay, so I'm sitting at Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, and this is a state park, a little state park, but beautiful. It's got lots of water and streams and pools, all kinds of things. Waterfall. Used to have an old, gosh, what is it? A power station here, and right now it's overcast. But I'm sitting in my camper in the parking lot with the 7300, and I don't think you can see it right there. But 7300, my Surface Laptop Go. And let's see, my high Q antenna on the back of the camper, and using 100 watts. Oh boy, what else can I tell you? I'm only going to be here for a couple hours. I don't want to take up this space for very long. However, there's not many people out there in the parking lot, so I don't think I'm bothering anybody. I want to be courteous, and I don't want to intrude too much because I'm in my camper and I got the truck ahead of it, so I'm taking up a couple of spaces. But anyway, I got some video of Mammoth Spring and walking around, beautiful little trail around the water and the spring, so stay tuned and watch that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and put your comments below, any questions below. Thanks for watching.